Let's talk about something that's changing the game. ChatGPT. Imagine a super smart assistant who's always ready to help, whether it's answering late-night questions, writing tricky emails, or brainstorming party ideas. ChatGPT is an AI tool that feels more like a helpful friend than a robot. It's easy to use. Just type what you need, and it responds instantly. Whether you're a student, a busy parent, or just curious, ChatGPT is designed for everyone. It's here to make life simpler, spark creativity, and help you get things done. Ready to see how ChatGPT can brighten your day? Let's dive in. So, how does ChatGPT actually work? It might seem like magic, but there's a lot of fascinating technology behind the scenes. When you type a question or a prompt, you're tapping into a powerful artificial intelligence system that's been trained on a massive amount of information. Imagine a library so vast, it contains not just books, but articles, websites, and conversations from all over the world. That's what ChatGPT has read. It's absorbed patterns, facts, and ways people communicate from a huge range of sources. But instead of just looking up answers, ChatGPT uses what it's learned to predict the most likely and helpful response to your question. It's not copying and pasting from somewhere, it's generating a brand new answer each time, based on the patterns it's seen in all that data. You can ask it anything, from simple facts to complex ideas, and it responds instantly, creating answers on the fly. It's like having a conversation with someone who's read almost everything and can explain it in a way that makes sense to you. What's really impressive is how it understands not just the words you use, but the context, tone, and even the subtle meaning behind your questions. That's why chatting with it feels so natural and human-like. You can ask follow-up questions, request changes, or clarify your thoughts, and ChatGPT keeps up with the flow of the conversation. It remembers what you've said, so the discussion stays on track and relevant. Behind the scenes, the technology is always being updated and improved. Engineers and researchers are constantly working to make it smarter, more accurate, and safer for everyone to use. For you, though, it's simple. It just feels like chatting with a really knowledgeable friend who's always ready to help, answer questions, or just have a great conversation, anytime you need it. What can ChatGPT do for you? A lot. It answers questions, explains tough topics, and acts as a personal tutor. Stuck on writing? It drafts emails, stories, poems, and more. Need a summary? Paste in a long article, and it'll give you the main points. It's a creative partner, helping brainstorm ideas, plan trips, or even invent recipes. Whether you need inspiration or information, ChatGPT is there. It's like having a tutor, writer, and idea machine in your pocket. Whatever you're working on, ChatGPT can help you do it better and faster. How does ChatGPT fit into daily life? Let's get specific. In today's fast-paced world, we're all looking for ways to make our routines smoother, more productive, and even a bit more fun. ChatGPT is like having a helpful assistant right at your fingertips, ready to jump in whenever you need a hand. For students, ChatGPT is a game changer. It can clarify confusing timelines, help break down complex topics, create custom quizzes for exam prep, outline essays, and even check your grammar, or suggest better ways to phrase your ideas. Whether you're in high school or college, it's like having a tutor available 24/7. At work, ChatGPT can summarize lengthy meeting notes, draft job descriptions, help you brainstorm project ideas, or even write professional emails. It's perfect for organizing your thoughts, managing your workload, and making sure nothing slips through the cracks. If you're preparing for an interview, ChatGPT can help you practice common questions, refine your answers, and boost your confidence before the big day. For hobbies and downtime, ChatGPT is a creative partner. It suggests new recipes to try, offers gardening tips for your next planting project, and even invents unique game night ideas to keep friends and family entertained. Planning a get-together? Ask ChatGPT for fun activities, conversation starters, or even themed trivia questions to make your gathering memorable. Want to learn a language? Practice real conversations, get grammar help, or translate tricky phrases? Need a workout plan or healthy meal ideas? Just ask, and ChatGPT will tailor suggestions to your goals. It's a study buddy, productivity booster, and wellness coach all rolled into one. For creative pursuits, ChatGPT can help brainstorm story ideas, generate prompts for art projects, or even help you overcome writer's block. It's a creative spark that keeps your imagination flowing. Everyday tasks become easier too. From planning budgets and tracking expenses, to writing songs or organizing your to-do list, ChatGPT is there to simplify your life. and help you stay on top of things. It's your go-to digital companion, always ready to answer questions, offer advice, or just chat when you need a break. Whatever your goal, big or small, ChatGPT is there to help you succeed, support your passions, and make every day a little bit easier and a lot more interesting. What makes ChatGPT stand out from the crowd? Let's dive into the features that truly set it apart and make it a must-have tool for anyone who wants to work smarter, not harder. First, its language understanding is top-notch. You can talk to it just like you would with a friend, using everyday language, and it instantly gets what you mean. No need to worry about phrasing things perfectly. It's designed to understand you, even if you're not sure how to ask. What's even cooler is that it remembers your conversation. This means you can build on your ideas, ask follow-up questions, or change topics without having to repeat yourself. It keeps track of the context, making every interaction feel seamless and personal. Creativity is where ChatGPT really shines. Whether you need a poem, a story, a business email, or even a joke, it can write in any style or persona you want. It adapts its tone and approach to fit your needs, making it a true creative partner. Stuck on a project or need fresh ideas? ChatGPT is your brainstorming buddy. It helps you generate new concepts, organize your thoughts, and even drafts content for you. It's like having a collaborator who's always ready to help, no matter the task. Its vast knowledge is another game-changing feature. From history and science to pop culture, coding, and more, ChatGPT can answer questions, explain complex topics, and provide references on almost anything you can think of. But it's more than just a search engine. ChatGPT is a true conversation partner. It listens, responds thoughtfully, and keeps the dialogue engaging, making every chat feel interactive and meaningful. Whether you're planning a project, learning something new, or creating content, ChatGPT adapts to your workflow. It's flexible enough to support your goals, no matter how big or small. And the best part? It's available anytime, anywhere. ChatGPT is your window into the world's knowledge, ready to help whenever inspiration strikes or questions arise. With all these features combined, it's easy to see why ChatGPT is a real game changer for anyone looking to boost productivity, creativity, and learning. At its core, ChatGPT is about making life easier. It helps you breeze through emails, research, and planning, saving you precious time. Stuck on a task? Ask for ideas or suggestions and get moving again. It's not about laziness, it's about working smarter. ChatGPT replaces multiple apps, streamlining your digital life. Less clutter, more efficiency, and more time for what matters. It handles the tedious stuff, freeing you to be creative and productive. ChatGPT empowers you to do more with less stress. Who wouldn't want a little extra help to make life smoother? Who's ChatGPT for? Everyone. No matter your age, job, or tech skills, it's designed to be accessible and easy. It's a learning companion, creative partner, and productivity tool all in one. It democratizes information, making knowledge available to anyone. Small business owners, job seekers, students, and lifelong learners all benefit. It helps you communicate, learn, and create, amplifying your abilities. Whether you're solving problems or exploring passions, give it a try. ChatGPT is a little bit of magic for everyone.